Alright, so when I was recording the first take for this unboxing, my mic battery died, so I'll be doing the audio on my phone. Hopefully it sounds okay. But here we have the ERRATICSQUIRREL Goblin Kens. I'm excited for this one. So these drop, I believe it's October 18th at 9 a.m. PST. So if you want them for yourself, you should go cop at that time. But yeah, super excited for these Kens that Miguel is dropping for the first time. And let's start off with the beach. I got the beach and the maple. So let's reopen this again. As you can see, it even shows the weight on the packaging, which is nice, so you don't need a scale. So this one is 82 grams. It's a good weight. Ooh, look at the grain on that beach. Beautiful. Such a clean logo too. The squirrel holding a Ken instead of a Tama. That one is the beach. The beach comes in the green bag, so you can differentiate. And then also comes with a bead and a string, or bearing and a string, in each Ken bag. This is the maple one. This maple Ken is 88 grams. Ooh, the grain on that is amazing. So clean. Yeah, so this is the goblin shape. It has a bullet tip spike, has sharp rims, slightly stepped. The small cup has more of a step than the big cup, from what I can tell. Decent size ring stall, and then if you notice the swoop or the transition to the base cup, there's no like lip there, so it has a really nice feeling in the hands. It's good for Ken flips and juggles. Got a decent base cup hole as well, so it's great for lunars. Yeah, I'm deciding what I should pair these with in terms of Tamas. I was thinking the green Solab, because obviously the name is a Goblin Ken, so I'm thinking goblins are green, so that could work. But we'll see. I have a few other kitchen Tamas that I can use as well. Yeah, just super excited for these Kens that Miguel is dropping for the first time. I'm sure you guys will love these. Great for taps, just super responsive. So I'm excited to play these for myself. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.